definitely want to stop. Where do you want to stop? Side of the road. Where on the side of the road?
As far from traffic as you can.
What's that?
Far from traffic as you can.
Yes. So you want to pull off the road, but you don't want to pull down into a ditch, right? You want them somewhere flat. All right? In someone's driveway, a little artillery turnout, whatever. You don't want to be next to the highway if possible. Okay? If you have to drive a little farther to get someplace safe, you need to do that. Okay? What's the next thing? You find a nice, flat, safe place. What's next?
Warning lights.
Okay, perfect. Turn on your hazards, right? Either call somebody, call your parents, call a buddy, somebody to help you. At that point in time, what would be the next thing before you get out of the car? Anybody use it anytime? Parking brake. Set your parking brake. All right? It depends on if you're on flat or a little incline or whatever. It doesn't matter. Set your parking brake. As soon as you start jacking up the car, it could roll on you, right? If your parking brake is not satisfactory, you can always find a rock. Yeah, cram it on both sides of your tires so your car won't roll, right? Okay? I think I asked this. Who's done this before?